Hello everyone, we are the Team 2 formed by Mario Pardo, Héctor Melchor, Santiago Muñoz, Ian Noel and Oscar Daniel. And today we will to study the kinetics of a chemical reaction using the Lodine clock reaction. Your objective is to determine the oxidation rate of vitamin C by measuring the time it takes for the solution to change the color. This experiment helps us to understand how reactions take work and how the concentration of reactants affect the speed of a chemical reaction.
To do this experiment, we need various materials. We need two vitamin C tablets, liquid iodine tincture, cornstarch, hydrogen peroxide, warm water, and glasses and spoons. First of all, we need to prepare the vitamin C solution. For this, we need to crush the vitamin C tablets into a fine powder, then dissolve this powder in 60 milliliters of warm water, then add 6 milliliters of iodine tincture and mix the water until the dark color of the iodine vanishes completely. For the solution, for the second solution, we need to dissolve 1 gram of cornstarch in 60 milliliters of warm water. Stir thoroughly until the water is slightly cloudy and I add 15 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Then we need to pour the solution of the vitamin C tablet and the solution of the starch together into a third glass. Then we need to mix it well and leave it still for a bit of time and it will change its color suddenly.
Well, the chemical reaction, we can say that is very implemented the timing, and it's a very important part of a project, the timing. The process is like the basic thing, it's only mix two transparent liquids that are our two pieces that we are going to work by all the experiment, and with this you will have a redox reaction. The role of the vitamin C act as a reduction agent that stalls the hydrogen, preventing it from reacting with the starch right away. And the color change since the vitamin C is completely used up and the hydrogen is free up, and it starts reacting with the starch and turns into the dark color that he give us at the final. And there's one variable that is the quantity of substance that you let in, and depending on the quantity the reaction will be more longer or shorter, so that's the unique variable.
So, in conclusion, in this experiment, we learn how the concentration of reactants affect the rate of a chemical reaction. And also we observed that when the concentration increased, the reaction happened faster, which means less time for the color change. And also the vitamin C delayed the reaction at the beginning, but once it was used up, the solution got quickly turned blue. And this experiment helped us to understand the concept of the reaction rate in a, in a very dynamic, simple, and visual way, and also practical during our last class of chemical.